What's today? Day 15. Day 15. What? I look tired as shit. We're getting breakfast.
We need more drinks.
We need more drinks. We need more drinks. We're going to the milk bar today. If you don't know what that is, too bad. If you know, you know. Also, I guess we're getting tattoos.
I don't know. I think that might have been our last night thing, and the universe was like, nah, we're not
I guess we're not getting tattoos. Oh well. I'm sorry, but Gerard just said Tom Holmes from the movie Big. What do you mean? This is the same thing that they used in the movie Big. He tells the future, he makes him a big guy. He makes him an adult.
Alright, I've never seen the movie.
Unbelievable. Nothing like a super wide. We're here at the Ross Dress for Less.
All right.
Gerard's gonna dress me so I can go to a club.
Jordan needs clothes for a club, so I'm giving myself 15 minutes to give him basically the time of his life.
Okay, so we got pants, blue and black. I have to try them on. 13 minutes. We're gonna see if we can get this done in less. All right, loafers.
How do you feel about these?
I hate them. They look like weird shoes.
Your best bet is to just not ask him how he feels about them.
All right. I'm thinking this, and then a nice button down.
Okay.
Grab these.
All right. You got red shoes. Are you kidding me? They're fuzzy. We're gonna try them with the blue and then a white button down. Under 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay, white shirt obtained. What's our time?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Pants, shoes. Well, we're past the 15, but we got some clothes. I think we're past the 15.
Way past the 15, but it's because the sizes were wrong, so I had to run back and forth. But
I had to try things on.
The outfit was made in like 10 minutes.
It's so simple. It's blue pants, white shirt, brown shoes. Bald head.
Exactly. But right now, just cut to when he's trying it on. Ooh. Ooh. Kill him. Kill him. Ooh.
Hands are so tight.
Ooh.
Well, what do you have to say to yourself?
It's the fucking milk bar. Allow it.